Hey guys, Mr. Lucky Man 007 here. I heard this beeping for 2 days. I thought it was workers with the backup alarm, or maybe it was the garbage truck backing up. But then, I ventured out early in the AM, 5:48, I quickly learned something completely weird. I realized it was coming from a bag of trash someone stashed with some yard debris. What I found must have been there for at least a year without beeping. Why did it start now? Can you hear that? So my neighbor was doing some work yesterday, or having some work done yesterday, and I heard this beeping. And I assumed that it was one of their workers. And yesterday was also garbage day, so I assumed that it could be the garbage man up on this end of my property. However, this morning I set out to find the source of this beeping. And I discovered that it's coming up from my property. So, in an effort to find out exactly what it is, it sounds like it's coming from down in there. It's coming down here. Looks like it's coming from some trash. Okay, so this is a little trash heap, and underneath this, we have a smoke alarm with the battery still in it. Unbelievable. Couple of years this has been here. So this is the culprit. Of course, now it won't ring. Two days, this made that noise. So now I'm going to take the battery out.